Elastic founder and CEO Shay Banon. Shay, you got to be happy about this.
Yeah, I'm very happy that we reached these days, but to be honest, it's just one day in a journey that we started 6 years ago, and we're embarking towards the future as well.
You power search that connects people on Tinder, connects people with Uber drivers. You know, you're in SoftBank's technology. How did you see the opportunity in a market like search? Google has dabbled in enterprise search in the past, but moved away from it. It's one of those areas that I would think a lot of people would have backed away from and said, that's soft.
Yeah, I mean, our vision ever since I started to try to implement the first search box about 16 years ago or so, I saw the power that it brings to users across the world. And, you know, people feel in control of their data. You know, when you open up a browser and you search, you're in control of the internet and you browse it. We want to bring that capability and that experience to any type of data, any type of organization, any type of enterprises.
Whenever you're talking about data, you're going to also have to talk about privacy and cybersecurity. How important is protecting this data that you have access to and you're helping these companies understand when you think about growing the company?
We provide the engine itself where data is being stored, and we provide all the security features and all the options for enterprises that adopt us to make sure that the right people have the right access to the data.
You mentioned a few high-profile customers of yours.
Yeah.
What percentage of revenues are they for you? Is that a risk?
No, we don't have any concentration. We're being used in, we have more than 5,500 customers across 80 different countries, no certain vertical. We're just being adopted, and users are realizing the power of search that we're bringing to any type of organization.
And it's a subscription revenue model. Most of your revenue comes from subscription services.
That is correct.
So how sticky are those contracts?
Our net expansion rate is more than 130% for the last 7 quarters. I think it just shows that when someone starts to use us, they start to use us more and more, either within a single project or they find other projects where search is useful for.
Now, it's called Elastic, and that seems appropriate given the way investors have reacted to it. The range was here, and then it stretched up. You know, 36 is where it priced. It's now trading at 70. Do you have a sense of behind the scenes what that was like for you? Apparently, people got more excited about this as it was starting to happen. Was it a matter of understanding the technology and its potential? What do you think happened here?
Well, we've been talking to investors over the past 2 weeks and over the past few months, and the story really resonates. These investors end up talking to customers of ours, and they are very happy with using our software and very proud of using our software. I think that effect just means that people put trust in our company.
In terms of your expansion, does it help at all that you're a Netherlands-based company and not a U.S.-based company when it comes to expanding in places like China? And I asked you this because I spoke to the CEO of a chip company who is not based in the U.S., and he said that was a real advantage, that company is seen as sort of a neutral, a third-party, third-country chip company.
Well, it might be part of it. We have a partnership, for example, with Alibaba, where they provide our software as a service in Aliyun within China, which is great. I was there a year ago, and we strike a really good partnership. But to be honest, one of the fascinating things about our company that people don't know necessarily is that we have employees in 35 different countries. We are a very distributed company. We started from our open source roots, and when we founded the company, we just hired our friends wherever they are.
All right, Shay Banon, congratulations again on this market debut. As all the founders and CEOs say, just one step along the journey, but it's a big step. You're going to get that one in concrete and save it, bring it home.